that we will one day have some good platform to fight for the causes of various causes. आपके पास में इतना आर्ट है, आपके पास में इतना एक्यूमेन है, उसके बाद में हाउ यू से दैट कि कोई मेरे से कंपटीशन करे? किसी की ताकत नहीं साहब हमारे साथ कंपटीशन करने की, क्योंकि जो लोग खुद ब्रोकिंग करते हैं, जिनके पैरों के जूते के ऊपर मट्टी लगती है, वो लोग ब्रोकर होते हैं साहब। वो लोग एग्जीक्यूटिव क्लास में जाके एसी चेम्बर्स में लैपटॉप पे मैचिंग नहीं करते, वो क्लाइंट को फिजिकल इंस्पेक्शन देते हैं, बिकॉज रियल एस्टेट इज अ हेटेरोजेनियस इन नेचर। You know, you cannot take, real estate from Goa, sir, and sell it in Delhi. You cannot, dig out a place from here and sell it in Dubai. The person who is purchasing has to come to your place to purchase real estate. The real estate don't go to the buyer comes to real estate. The nature of real estate must be understood. The nature of the business must be understood. The system is changing. Traditional way of doing business is changing. आप पहले एक वही खाता में लिख लेते थे, फलाने का 2 BHK चाहिए, इसका ये बेचने का, उसका वो बेचने का, सब वो खत्म हो गया। प्लीज चेंज विद द टाइम। आपके पास में कैड की जो फोन थी, अब स्मार्टफोन की आ गई है। यूज दैट स्मार्टफोन, use the technology, use the the knowledge which is available on technology. नेटवर्किंग में काम कीजिए। और बहुत सारे लोग ये बोलते हैं साहब रिसेशन है। आज हम लोग एक से एक दिग्गज लोगों को सुनेंगे और एक से एक बड़े आज हमारे बीच में महारथी होंगे रियल एस्टेट के। और हम लोगों ने ना इस बार कोई सब्जेक्ट ही नहीं रखा। The subject is my perspective of real estate. That let the person decide himself that what he wants to speak about real estate. We don't want to give the subject because real estate is such a big subject. It is such a huge subject that आप अभी बोलेंगे सर अफोर्डेबल हाउसिंग पे बोलूँ या मैं अभी रेरा पे बोलूँ या मैं किसी और चीज़ पे बोलूँ। कोई बोलेगा मार्केट आई एम बुलिश, कोई बोलेगा रिसेशन। दैट पीपल हैव डिफरेंट माइंडसेट। पीपल हैव, किसी की पानी पे मलाई पड़ रही है, किसी का दूध भी फट जाता है। और रियल एस्टेट इज सो कंफ्यूजिंग सर। आई टेल यू द अंडरकरंट हैड स्टार्टेड, डील्स आर हैपनिंग। यू नीड टू अंडरस्टैंड where the opportunities are. I had a line read in some of the book, Think and Grow Rich. I don't know which book I have read. A wonderful sentence was written, sir, in the book. You know how to walk on the water. You must know where the stones are, and if you know where the stones, you can walk on the water. Canada, the density of population is 3 people per square kilometer. In Andheri, according to the MMRD, it is 35,000, and I was listening to Charles Correa on some subject in Delhi, I believe in Credai or somebody, where he said 1,15,000 people per square kilometer, sir. And unfortunate is this that we don't have the statistics in our country. 12th five-year plan died, but we don't have statistics. Now Yojana Ayog, now Niti Ayog. I was witness to one of the session in Vigyan Bhavan, where Selja Kumari, then former housing minister, said we are 28.1 billion dwelling short. The UD secretary said on the same day as in the same session 23.8 million dwelling short. It was organized by I think ASSOCHAM, and they said 47 million dwelling short we are. Client will not tell you, sir, I want to upgrade it. Client will not tell you that family is expanding. Client will not tell you that okay, I got a child now, I want one more room within the my floor. You have to just always send them a good morning or good afternoon or happy Holi or happy Diwali or whatever. Keep in touch. God knows where, when, what the demand is being created. And that is how I don't have to teach you, because you all have much senior experience than me, that how to do a broking business. But one thing is certain, sir. Nothing finishes without paperwork. And you, I believe, so that is what the government also very keen on, getting you under some net, some taxation net. That is why they have kept the service tax also. Be honest, pay your service tax. I know that your client do not give you service tax. I know client cut the TDS and give it to you in hand. Sometimes it is not 2%, sometimes it is 1%. There where the associations, whether it is CREBI, whether your own association, whether it is your Malad Estate Association or area group or anybody else, any small association also, if they can go to the government, say, sir, this is our pledge, this is our concern, that you please listen to us. This is where we actually stand. It is not NAR or it is CREBI or any association. It is basically our own attitude. If we accept, because we are not organized, people say we are not organized. And why we are not organized? Do we not keep a bank account? Do we not pay the taxation? Do we not pay the exchequers, the various duties and taxes? I think, sir, this is the time we should convert, we should change. Traditional way of doing business have changed. You must upgrade your system. Android आ गया है साहब, BlackBerry भूल जाइए. You must upgrade your system. And upgrade to technologies, upgrade to new ideas, new changes. 30th year of accommodation times, we thought, let's not keep a dais on the stage. Let the person who speaks from the stage is the entire stage for him, and let him speak to his heart what exactly he wants to know, or he wants to tell us with his experience or whatever it is, that this is where he is standing. We are going to have today evening, sir, of course it will be extempore presentation by me. I'll take you down memory lane of all 30 years, the memories of accommodation times, and of course various events which had happened, right from scrapping of ULC, then Pagri system legalized, sometime then ICICI came in housing finance business, and there were so many different events which I are going to tell today. With this, I think I have almost covered almost all the points. 12th April we are going to have in the same venue our CREBI National Convention. We will deliberate thoughts, we will invite speakers, we will fight ourselves and have a better environment working for almost all the brokers in India. This is what I conclude. I hand over my to Mr. Vikram Mehta. Sir, please conclude your session. Thank you.
Our backbone, Sanjay Chaturvedi, Accommodation Times, Ajay ji, for giving us this such a big platform and given us the opportunity to present ourselves to their guests, basically, because there are several people to whom I may not personally not knowing, but because of this, definitely I will be able to meet them, make them understand about what CREBI is, how CREBI is going to work. I am thankful to them, thankful to everyone for listening us, and we wish we continue our journey ahead. Thank you.
Thank you, Sanjay sir. In fact, it was really very enlightening. But before we start the next session, I will present the prayer song, to which I would request everyone to kindly stand. वक्रतुंड महाकाय सूर्यकोटि समप्रभ निर्विघ्नं कुरु मे देव सर्वकार्येषु सर्वदा। गुरुर्ब्रह्मा गुरुर्विष्णु गुरुर्देवो महेश्वरा गुरुर्साक्षात् परब्रह्मा तस्मै श्री गुरुवे नमः। ला इलाहा इल्लल्लाह मुहम्मदुर रसूलुल्लाह। ला इलाहा इल्लल्लाह मुहम्मदुर रसूलुल्लाह। Come by here, O Lord, come by here. Come by here, O Lord, come by here. Come by here, O Lord, come by here, O Lord, come by here. Something good is going to happen, something good is in store. We are together again, just praising God. We are together again, just thanking God. We are together again, giving glory to God. Thank you so much for participation. Have a wonderful and enlightening evening ahead. God bless you.
Good evening, ladies and gentlemen. Welcome to the 30th glorious anniversary of Accommodation Times. The glorious process of publication of Accommodation Times, which is dedicated to the real estate industry, is now entering its 31st year. Accommodation Times is India's first and oldest fortnightly newspaper on real estate and property. Running since 30 years, the publication has acquired a huge database and information on every aspect of the industry. Being a part of the real estate industry, Accommodation Times recognizes the efforts of the real estate industry professionals like developers, architects, trade professionals, etc., and felicitates their endeavor and contribution to the sector.
Good evening, everybody. How's everyone doing? Hope you're having a rocking time.
The Accommodation Times Anniversary and Awards are very unique. Over the last 30 years, Accommodation Times has been the catalyst in bringing the industry together, and today it's yet another day where they bring two important segments of the real estate industry under one roof once again: the developers and the realtors. Today, the real estate industry has become very dynamic with the help of the internet. Nonetheless, the role of the real estate consultant was, is, and will remain undeniably important. It's time to understand and strengthen the bond between a real estate developer and the real estate consultants who play a crucial role in the real estate industry. Let us have a huge round of applause for the entire real estate industry, and thank you once again to Accommodation Times for giving us this platform which brings the entire industry together year on year. The two voices you heard a few moments back are from two different people who represent the two sides of the real estate industry. One being from the developer's side and the other being from the realtor's side. There is a constant support needed by each other to the extent that the real estate consultants today are the extended sales teams of the developers and play a very significant role in transaction closures. They will be the host for your evening. Can anyone guess who these two people are? Ladies and gentlemen, we present Mr. Kaizal Pateria and Sandeep Saad to you.
All right. Hello, everybody. Yes. Oh. Good evening, everybody. Thank you, thank you, thank you, thank you. Where are the rest of you gone eating pani puri outside? Okay, that's good. Keep some for me.
Let me introduce Kaizal, who actually doesn't need any introduction. Kaizal is a good friend. I know him for nearly 12 years. He's been in the real estate industry now for 12 years. He started to do something on his own, but he never succeeded, I guess. So he found shelter in the real estate industry, and he's very happy being here. And let me tell you a little bit, he's one of the finest speakers we have in the industry today. He's one of the guys who has the wits. He has the understanding and knowledge of the domain, and he knows the pain points which we face. हम लोग की problem क्या है? As a realtor, as a developer, he understands it very well. So thank you so much, Kaizal, for being here, and I would like to take this opportunity and thank Accommodation Times of getting this event once again together, and for having us, both of us together.
Great.
Thank you very much.
Thanks, and I think even Sandeep needs no introduction. Everybody knows he's the king of digital mastery in the real estate space. He is the owner, founder, Karta, Darta of MumbaiPropertyExchange.com. If you want to learn anything on digital marketing, stand outside the gate, catch his collar, have a coffee with him in the night, or something else, whatever else you want. But the great guy, been in the real estate industry before I was born, I think. Yeah, see, there you are. And he's famous for his most famous portal, The Real Club. Yeah, don't mistake it for the other kind of club, but it's The Real Club. Yeah, and I think it's a great creative person, and hope we'll have a rocking time together out here. That's it.
Yeah, Kaizal, the award night, and lucky developers today, you get so many awards here, and best part is that you are in your air-conditioned cabins. Nowadays you have the latest, lovely designer flats and so on. Do you know how does our day start? Do you have
सब बेवड़े लोग को बहुत मजा आ रहा है सुन के। समझने सारे शराब होते तो सोचो कितने फसाद होते, ख्वाब सारे हकीकत होते तो सोचो कितने फसाद होते। अमेजिंग थिंग टू थिंक ऑफ। किसी ने दिल में क्या छुपा है, किसी के दिल में क्या छुपा है, बस ये खुदा ही जानता। दिल अगर बेनकाब होते, थोड़ा इंटरव्यू मिलेगा। दिल अगर बेनकाब होते तो सोचो ये क्या स्कूल का बिल बन जाएगा। पीरियड खत्म हो गया, चलो नेक्स्ट मैथमेटिक्स की क्लास चालू। थी खामोशी फितरत हमारी, थी खामोशी फितरत हमारी, तभी तो बरसों निभा गई। थी खामोशी फितरत हमारी, तभी तो बरसों निभा गई। अगर हमारे मुंह में भी जवाब होते तो सोचो कितने फसाद होते हैं। संदीप साहब सुन रहे हो? डेवलपर का दुख अभी आप लोग सुन, लास्ट लाइन, हम अच्छे थे, हम अच्छे थे,
अभी भी हो।
थैंक यू वेरी मच, आई लव दिस मैन। हम अच्छे थे पर भी लोगों ने नजर से सदा, फिर भी लोगों के नजर में सदा बुरे रहे। हम अच्छे थे,
भी आ गया, अच्छा बनना पड़ेगा।
हम अच्छे थे फिर भी लोगों की नजर में रहे बुरे। कहीं हम सच्चे खराब होते तो सोचो कितने फसाद होते। So that's what we want to sum up the challenge of the developers. Genuinely speaking, I know a lot of people, like I said, only the shoe knows where it pinches. Somebody should encourage our customers to understand the plights that developers go through, that the realtors, that the channel partners go through. It's very easy to point a finger. A lot of people do not know that real estate is the second largest contributor to the GDP of the country. Are we aware of that? Why don't we share this with our customers? We should be proud. It's the second largest industry after agriculture. We create so many jobs, millions and millions and millions of jobs around the country. Any real estate developer, whether it's Radhanani or Rustomji or say Wadhwa or Kalpatru, every developer directly and indirectly contributes to 150 other ancillary industries. मतलब एक taxes are paid by real estate developers. So we are doing very good for the industry. हम सब लोगों के सपने साकार करते हैं. Am I right, Sandeep?
Absolutely, केदार. Thank you so much for the lovely शायरी. और आपके सपने ने मुझे एक बात कल रात की बात याद है. कल रात को मेरे को सपना ही आ रहा था यार. When I was sleeping, I was literally dreaming.
Wow. Yes, I hope it was decent and a nice dream. क्या dream कर रहे थे आप?
I got an award.
Are you serious?
Absolutely.
Just one night before the night you got your award.
Yes, morning so it was hangover in my head.
If I may ask you, and if it is okay for you to say, कौन सा award मिला आपको सर नींद के अंदर?
पहले सपना साकार होने दीजिए. उसके बाद
क्या है करो सपना साकार. ये स्टेज आपका है, शाम आपकी है, लोग आपके हैं.
मैं कॉल ऑन मिस्टर Niranjan Nirnani. Please give us the award, please sir.
Wow. Let's clap. ये देखो खुद ही अपने आप अवार्ड दे रहा है. Now he'll tell you who the award is for.
This award is not for me. This award is for all the real estate advisors, consultants who day in and day out spend so much of their time. This is award for all of us here today from the Leadership Fraternity. Thank you so much, everybody.
Yes, sir. A seat of you. That's nice. Thank you so much, God bless. Thank you, sir. Pleasure. Thank you. I saw your photo in the Times of India. Last Tuesday was your birthday, sir. So wish you many happy returns, belated also. And the great Sandeep Saab ka birthday kal Tuesday ko tha. So 2 great people's birthday 2 Tuesdays in a row.
Thank you very much.
Amazing that is. Thank you so much. On top, right? So it's good for the people who are the genuine channel partners, who are the genuine brokers, who are the genuine realtors, who are the genuine developers, who give the value for money and the good service and the right advice to the fraternity of the real estate customers. As an industry, if you take the advice or if you take this act in a positive way, it will separate the men from the boys. And it will separate the number 1 from the number 1 of XYZ. So it's a good thing. So for those who are still discouraged, Amitabh Bachchan has made a very beautiful shairi. I would request somebody to pass on a bottle of water. Is that possible? अपने अमिताभ बच्चन का एक शायरी मैं बताना चाहता हूँ आपको. I love this शायरी and मैं जब भी मेरा चैनल पार्टनर्स के लिए एजुकेशन सेशंस करता हूँ, I play this शायरी. It is extremely motivational. Listen to it very carefully, and every single word of it will resonate with every one of you sitting here in this room, and I assure you that. Again, Pasi Bawa की हिंदी.
Yeah, kindly excuse.
एडिट कर दो जो समझ नहीं पड़े. अच्छा लगे तो ताली बजाओ, तो मुझे भी थोड़ा एनकरेजमेंट आएगा, नहीं तो पसीना छूटना शुरू हो जाएगा. How that? Can you teach me how to do that? Whoever did that? Thank you so much. That's why I love channel partners. They are like masti mein mast. You know, I love that. That's a great attitude. This shari is named कोशिश करने वालों की हार नहीं होती. So when I'm saying this shari, you have to keep your current situation in mind. You have to keep the future uncertainty in mind, that fear which is bogging you in your heart right now. Tackle your fear with these words. कोशिश करने वालों की हार नहीं होती. लहरों से डरकर नौका कभी पार नहीं होती. लहरों से डरकर कभी नौका पार नहीं होती. कोशिश करने वालों की कभी हार नहीं होती. नन्ही चींटी जब दाना लेकर चलती है, नन्ही चींटी जब दाना लेकर चलती है, चलती दीवारों पर 100 बार फिसलती है. मन का विश्वास रगों में सांस भरता है. मन का विश्वास रगों में सांस भरता है. चढ़कर गिरना, गिरकर चढ़ना ना करता है. आखिर उसकी मेहनत बेकार नहीं होती. कोशिश करने वालों की
कभी हार नहीं होती.
An ant teaches us a lot of things. Perseverance. No matter how the burden, an ant can carry 10 times, 15 times its burden, the size of its own weight. Second para. दुबकिया सिंधु में गोताखोर लगाता है. दुबकिया सिंधु में गोताखोर लगाता है. जा जाकर खाली हाथ लौटकर आता है. मिलते नहीं सहज ही मोती गहरे पानी में. मिलते नहीं सहज ही मोती गहरे पानी में. बढ़ता दुगना उत्साह ऐसे
Federation of Real Estate Brokers. Thank you, sir. Thank you. Thank you. Thank you, sir. Thank you. Ladies and gentlemen, it's my privilege. And because wonderful job that you have done to support your father. And of course, the lady behind the man, of course.
Ajay bhai?
I wish at his age I'm going to be half as enthusiastic as he is. Thank you so much for doing this out. There are so many people who have done paradigms as far as the history of real estate is concerned. Fortunately, we have them in our presence. Mr. R.C. Sinha, who made the paradigm which made a change that the government machinery and the bureaucracy can make that difference. The Bombay-Pune road, the new road that he created, and beat everybody in the private sector to do it. 1,650 crores of rupees he collected for the purposes of doing that road. The 35 flyovers that he delivered in Mumbai in a period of 3 and
30 years is something incredible. They have to go through so much every day after day, collecting news, reaching out to people, publishing, selling, going through bad markets, going through good markets, and explaining all the intricacies of real estate has been tremendous. I remember the first time that I went to London, I was shocked because sitting in Mumbai, we never saw ads for houses. There were no hoardings, there were no ads in the newspapers, and when I saw in London house to let or house for sale, I was so shocked. It was a completely different world. That was in 1974. And after that, now of course we see full page ads in the Times of India, and so much marketing is being done. It was in those days when there was so little known about real estate that accommodation had started and has been able to develop so greatly. When I started working in 1976, when I just finished my law, then that was the year in which the Urban Land Ceiling Act was introduced. That was also the middle of the emergency, which was proclaimed in 1975 and ended in 77. And at that time, the prices of real estate were so low relative to what they are today. In those days, there used to be 1,000 rupee notes, which then later got demonetized and again they've come back in. And at that time, a person could take a bundle of 1,000 rupee notes in his pocket and go and buy a flat anywhere in Bombay, just with the notes in his pocket. Today, if you have to do that, you'll have to take 2 suitcases of cash. So prices have changed, regulations have changed. We saw the 37I coming in, 37E coming in first, and then 37I came, that went. Now we have so many other issues, Section 50C of the Income Tax Act and Section 56, which creates so many problems for us and the reckoner. And we hope that the Real Estate Regulation Act will create a different scenario, where one of transparency, one of accountability for everyone, for developers, and it will be useful for customers, because these are two sides of the same coin. If a customer is happy, then the developer is happy. It cannot be one without the other for long. So I hope that the Real Estate Regulation Act will be implemented as it ought to be and doesn't just become a failure. But what is my perspective of real estate going forward? I think so much has been done already in Mumbai, but now the future must lie outside Mumbai for even those who are here now. And that is because of the density of population here. There are lists of the density of population in the different cities. New York is about 114 in the list of cities with a highly dense population. London is about 43rd. Calcutta has a density of 23,000 per square kilometer, and Calcutta is second
ये हम बहुत खुश हैं यहाँ पे आके, इतने बड़े हस्तियों से मिले हम यहाँ पे. It felt very good receiving an award. It felt very good, emerging out, I would say. And it was an honor to be receiving such a high and prestigious award.
Like Hira Nandani is the main head.
Yes.
Award आपने पाया है.
Yes.
किस तरह की खुशी है, like main dignitary के साथ उनके हाथों से award पाना, एक achievements लेना, क्या खुशी, क्या सोच रहती है जब आपको award मिला उसके बारे में?
सोच खाली एक चीज़ की रहती है कि काश हम एक दिन वहाँ पर पहुँच पाए, काश हम एक दिन उतना अचीव करें जो उन्होंने इतना अचीव किया है. He is definitely a symbol when it comes to the construction and real estate industry, and we both, the two of us, would love to reach his achievements, reach up to his achievements.
आप क्या कहेंगे कि आप भी आगे फ्यूचर किस तरह का प्लान होगा अपने कंपनी को और हायर लेवल पे ले जाने के लिए? एक अवार्ड जो मिलता है तो एक जिम्मेदारी भी अपनी ही आगे बढ़ती है, तो उसके बारे में क्या कहते हैं?
हमें एक्चुअली यंग अचीवर्स का अवार्ड मिला है मिस्टर हीरा नंदानी से. वो हमें एक बहुत बड़ी बात है हम लोग के लिए, क्योंकि उनके साथ एक स्टेज पर खड़े रहना एक बहुत बड़ा अचीवमेंट इन इटसेल्फ होता है. एंड बस हमारी कोशिश रहेगी दैट वी वर्क हार्ड एंड वी डू एग्जैक्टली, वी फॉलो देयर पाथ एंड वी ट्राई टू अचीव व्हाटएवर दे हैव अचीव्ड. Thank you so much.
We would like to thank Accommodation Times to give us the Best Practice of the Year award. It's a very important thing for us as a company because we are a newly coming up company. We are doing close to about 1,000 apartments delivery in the next 2 years in prime locations of Mumbai like Borivali, East West, Kandivali, Santa Cruz and Khar. So this award means a lot to us because we want to promote practices where people focus on more of delivery, more of commitment and ensuring that projects are completed on time. And more importantly, we have to understand that our industries are dependent on a lot of external factors beyond the hard work, investment and efforts of the developer. But what is the most important is that developer needs to remain communicative to all its clients, stakeholders, customers, vendors of all situations so that people are having more faith and confidence in your group. Thank you.